Hey, this is my Blade D69. This is a video response to Damien. Hiccups Are Evil. There's a technique that has cured a lot of hiccups many times before. It kind of sounds weird, but there's these nerves above your eyebrows on both sides that whenever you take your index finger and your middle finger from both your hands and just place them and put a little pressure over your eyebrows, it makes you stop having the hiccups. I know it sounds weird, but I've done it about 11-12 times, and every time I do it, it works, and I think that might be the cure to the evil hiccups. If this is helpful and if anybody else tries this, thank you, and I'll talk to you later.